slide. Try to stay low in them turns. Tide extension. You're looking good. You're burning up with the tide. You can take it.
Hey, left, checkpoint. Easy right. Hey, left. Hairpin right. Oh! Medium right. Caution. Check, easy right. Keep left. Long medium right, maybe. Hairpin left. Keep left. Caution, long K right. K left.
After so long.
3 wide down the backstretch.
As he was trying to give up the place too. Did you realize that?
I noticed he was around. Yeah, you guys were playing around. I was going to take advantage of what you guys were doing.